Hey, I know you've seen all the fall fashion trend reports. I know you've seen all the TikTok inspo videos. You've probably pinned all of the trends you can find for fall, and you may have added some to your cart already. But here's the truth. Most women don't know how to wear trends without losing themselves in the process. You don't need a totally new wardrobe to show up in style this season. You just need to know how to translate what's trending into something that actually works for you. So let's talk about how to wear fall 2025 trends with clarity and not confusion. Fall 2025 is bold, it's playful, it's maximal, but it's also intentional. We're seeing high necklines, reds in every shade from cherry to burgundy, leather taking on new shapes and colors, animal prints being reimagined, and corporate professional style coming back with a spin. But here's the thing, just because it is on the runway does not mean it needs to be in your closet. You don't need all the trends, you just need the right ones. The ones that match your energy, your lifestyle, your body, and your brand. So let me give you a few pointers. The first is how to try a trend without overcommitting. When it comes to this, think about the outfit in totality. So let's say it's a monochromatic burgundy look. Perhaps you don't need to buy the full outfit from head to toe. Maybe you can try a burgundy structured blazer, or even a burgundy shoe or bag. Test it in small ways before you fully commit to a look. Same with fringe. We're seeing a lot of fringe this fall. And so perhaps you don't want a new fringe maxi cardigan, but maybe you want some new fringe gloves, or maybe you want a dress with some fringe detail, or even a clutch that has some fringe. The point is, start with small pieces of the trend and incorporate them into your daily wear. Next, let's talk about pairings. So when it comes to pairings, you may mix chocolate brown and olive. And if you missed my video on 7 chic ways to wear brown this fall with a variety of different color combinations, I definitely want you to go check that out. Or you may pair black and lime green for some modern and bold energy. Perhaps you want to pair camel and red together, or beige and burgundy. If you're someone who leans more into neutrals, which I know many of you are, then you can just add a seasonal color through your accessories, outerwear, or shoes. That way you don't lose your foundation, but you'll still feel current. Now the next one is a little bit tricky, and it is thinking about how to tell if a trend actually matches who you are, if it actually matches your vibe, if it actually matches your energy. And so I want you to try this one crucial step, and it is super easy. You're gonna try it on and stand in the mirror. That's it. If you feel like you're wearing a costume, then it is not aligned. So you wanna ask yourself, do I feel like me in this outfit? Can I move with ease and flow in this outfit? Does this amplify or does it compete with my presence? If it feels performative or awkward, then you may want to skip that trend. So here are some practical styling tips for you to incorporate trends. The first is the layering formula, and this is simply color plus texture plus silhouette. So perhaps you want to try a red turtleneck for color, underneath a chocolate leather blazer for texture, paired with a wide leg trouser for silhouette. That's how you really mix trends and still stay polished and elevated. The next tip is the try-on test. Ask yourself, would I wear this if it wasn't a trend right now? Then it's probably not something that you're gonna love, so you can just skip it. The third tip, which is one of my personal favorites, is the rule of 3. Every outfit should tell a story with 3 elements: color, shape, and statement. If all three of these things don't work together, then it may be doing too much or it may not be doing enough. So here's the takeaway. Trends are meant to serve you, not confuse you, not make you feel overwhelmed, or not make you feel like you are being performative and not yourself. So as we head deeper into the fall season, I want you to keep this in mind. Start small, mix and match what you already have, and always prioritize alignment over attention. If you want to check out some fall looks that are already styled, and you can easily just click the links in the show notes to grab my free fall 2025 trim report. And if you found this video helpful, share with a friend whose online cart might be doing the most. I'll see you in the next video.